Welcome to Product Critique. In this episode, we'll explore what makes this face painting kit a top choice for both beginners and professionals alike. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to unleash your inner artist. From 20 vibrant, non-toxic water-based paints to 3 glitters, 2 hair chalks, and a variety of essential tools like combs, brushes, and stencils, it's all here. What sets this kit apart? Well, for starters, it's designed with sensitive skin in mind, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. The paints are easy to use. Simply mix with water to achieve your desired texture, apply, and watch as they dry quickly with a high-quality, non-transferable finish. Whether you're a seasoned face painter or just getting started, this kit delivers professional-grade results. The set includes premium brushes that are essential for creating intricate designs because, let's face it, quality tools make all the difference. And here's something that gives you peace of mind. ADIS&GUYS offers a full-year guarantee on this kit. They're confident you'll love it as much as their thousands of satisfied customers do. Let's see this kit in action. I'll demonstrate how easy it is to use these paints, from simple designs to more elaborate creations. Whether it's for a birthday party, Halloween, or any special occasion, this kit ensures you'll be the hero of the event. Wrapping up, if you're looking for a face painting kit that combines safety, quality, and ease of use, look no further than the Face Painting Kit for Kids Party by ADIS&GUYS, Art Supply. It's truly a must-have for any budding artist or party enthusiast. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on top-notch products like this one. Until next time, keep creating and inspiring.